Hey, how's everyone going? So recently we got a comment from the Pain Rankers that we should smash a bunch of dishware. So we're going to do that.
If you haven't seen the Pain Rankers channel yet, you should go check them out. They do stupid stuff and hurt themselves, and then they rate how bad it hurts. So their link will be down in the description below.
All right, so what we're gonna be doing is dropping some dishware on an anvil, and then we're gonna switch it around and drop an anvil on some dishware.
All right, let's get to it.
No freaking way! All right, that was a lot of fun. So we want you guys to leave in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And also, if you guys have any other ideas, let us know in the comments below. Thanks a bunch for watching.